So with the Jazz, we just gathered data and then gave it to Dr. Fellingham on the NBA, well, to help the Utah Jazz with the NBA draft and free agency.
And most of that was done graphically, so we sent them a shot chart for each player that they were contemplating drafting and showed them points per shot, percentages from various places on the floor to give them a better idea about what that player might bring to the table.
I feel the experience that I'm getting with this research could be really helpful for NBA teams in the future and help me land a job with one of them. Which is, if you're not doing sports statistics to help analyze your team and make them better, I feel as if your team is at a disadvantage to teams that do. Teams now, the San Antonio Spurs, who won the NBA championship, they're known for doing sports statistics. For example, like where's the best shot or best spot to shoot a three-point shot. They found that the corners of each three-point shot is the best place to shoot. It has the highest percentage.
Brad's used that technology with the BYU basketball team this year and produced scouting reports for all the teams playing against BYU, and then also a scouting report for BYU, so we can look and see where BYU's scoring, what they do particularly well, where they need to perhaps change some of their offensive sets and so on. And about mid-season he came to me and we talked about BYU's offensive production and some of the issues they might be having in terms of transition, because they're such a good transition offensive team. And Brad decided to look at opposing teams' offensive rebounds, because they not only generate more offense for the opposing team, but they also take away a transition opportunity. He took that report to the coaches, and since they've had that report, they haven't lost. And I think if you look at the team, you'll notice that their defensive rebounding is much improved. They have really made it an area of emphasis in practice and in games. And the coaches have certainly been very pleased with his work. He's shown a lot of initiative, as I said, and he's worked very hard to help the team. I think he really has made an impact. And I think that he would be a very good employee should some team pick him up.